what I've learned between then and now is that that one of the things I've learned over the years is that cloning is a very powerful mental model. And the second thing I've learned, which is I still don't know exactly why this is the case, but humans are really bad at cloning. So what I repeatedly notice about humans is they'll see something great going on somewhere. And they'll even acknowledge, oh, that's wonderful. But they won't clone it. And so it is the inversion of that is that if you are a cloner, you get a huge advantage in life because the rest of humanity is not good at cloning. I see it repeatedly. The foundation we have, Dakshina Foundation, it works well because it's a clone model. I could never come up with that model, but I could copy it. The Pabrai Fund's fee structures and the way it's set up, I could never come up with it, but I could clone it.